Hi everyone, in this short video I will show you how to move your lead generation sequence from your start skill to another skill in the chatbot. After logging into my chatbot dashboard, I'm going to Bot Builder, Skills, and in the start skill I can see all my lead generation sequence. Welcome, may have your name, may have your email, what's the name of your company, and so on. So what I will do now, I'll hold a Shift button and select every block here except the first one, catch block, listening to the start event. And then I'll right click and copy to clipboard. Now I can create another skill, clicking this plus sign button, and let's give it a name, for example, lead gen 1. I'm using 1 because later in this manual we will be duplicating that skill for another lead generation campaign and it will have the name lead gen 2. So I'm clicking create skill. Please notice that in this new skill we immediately have this catch block listening to lead gen 1 event. If you're not familiar with the ActiveChat events yet, please check our manuals. You can find the link in the description for this video. Events trigger chatbot skills. So all I have to do now is again right click on the canvas and select paste from clipboard. And here is our lead generation sequence. I'll just connect the catch block to the first data block. So now this lead generation skill will be hidden from users who start communicating with our chatbot, and we will be able to trigger it with a direct link.